Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome. I am Mirza Shambek, your quant educator, and today I am going to discuss the salary structure and basically job profile of IBPS PO and SBI PO. So basically what I am doing is a comparison between an IBPS PO or an SBI PO. You will see about job profile, salary, and all the growth related issues, what they faces and how they overcome their situation. So all the things will be there. Let's see what is the comparison. First of all, you should remember that the main difference between both of these exams is that IBPS is for all nationalized banks, and for SBI it will be SBI itself. Okay, the level of SBI PO is somewhat higher than that of IBPS PO. So basically, as IBPS is competing, or you can say if you are competing in IBPS examination, you will be competing for several banks, while in SBI you will only be eligible for SBI itself. Okay, so there are certain things you need to know about it. Let's see what are the differences. First of all, you should know the SBI PO examination is tougher nut to crack than IBPS PO because of its sole authority to conduct the examination, and it will release whenever the time comes. As you know that IBPS PO has already been released, so basically I believe that in the near coming months SBI will definitely release its notification. Okay, now the examination happens in the following stages. First, they will conduct preliminary, which is same for both IBPS as well as for SBI PO exam. Mains exam along with the descriptive paper, okay, which will also be same with respect to IBPS. And here is one thing, in the final stage, or you can say in the third stage, you will face GD, group exercise, and a personal interview. That means GD and PI will be there. While in the IBPS PO interview, only interview, that means personal interview will be there. So there is no such group discussion. Okay. Now here, the next is the job profile, that is roles and responsibilities are same. So for apart from job profile, let's talk about the preliminary examination. The subjects are same in both preliminary as well as in mains examination. It only differentiates between their level of examination. And as you can see that in IBPS PO cutoff was around 59 point something, while SBI PO cutoff was around 70 plus something. Okay, so you should remember, the more cutoff the examination will be, you can say that in terms of SBI and IBPS. Okay, because cutoff was also high for RRB PO or clerical exam, but there were only 2 subjects available at RRB PO. So we are not discussing, we have made a separate video for that. Now we are discussing about SBI PO and IBPS PO. Clearly SBI is a more tougher because the vacancies will be much lesser than IBPS PO. Okay, so the competition rises. So basically vacancy is inversely proportional to its competition. Now the job profile for both IBPS PO as well as for SBI PO is same, as well as their responsibilities are same. When it comes to promotions and career growth, the graph is more or less the same for both the IBPS and SBI PO. So basically their job roles, or you can say responsibilities and promotion and growth, career growth, and these are the things will be similar to each other for either your IBPS PO or an SBI PO. Let's move ahead. Let's go ahead and discuss about the most interesting part of their comparison, and that is salary. First of all, you should remember that SBI PO is way much larger salary than IBPS PO. Okay, SBI has a better salary structure compared to IBPS PO. Annual compensation of SBI PO is a minimum of 7.5. So basically they're talking about tier B city. Okay, and a maximum of 12.98 lakh. Okay, let me give you a clear idea. Let's say A and B, 2 persons are there. A is posted in Mumbai, while B is posted in B is posted in Dehradun. Okay, Dehradun. Okay, so you know better that Mumbai is much costlier than Dehradun. That means your salary perks must have been larger, or you can see must have been greater than Dehradun. So basically, Dehradun, Mumbai city itself is a larger city. So basically, if the city is larger, that means your perks will also get higher. So salary structure depends on the what kind of city it is, whether it's for tier 1 or tier 2. So they have a clear listing about the tiers, so you can go over there and check what are the what would it like to be if you're posting in Mumbai or you're posting in tier 2 city. Okay, now an SBI PO takes home around 28,000 on a monthly basis. So basically they are talking about a basic salary, and he is subject to 4 increments during his joining. Because of all these factors, the salary of an SBI PO is 6,000 more than the probationary officers of an IBPS PO. Okay, so you have got clearly, okay, you know that your salary must have been you can say it started from 7.5 to 12.9. That means around 7.5 to 13 lakh. Okay, it depends on which tier city you are living in, or you can say you are posting in. While IBPS PO officer takes home around 24,000 as its basic salary, but he has or you can say he has gets enjoyed the benefit of other allowances like DA, home rent, city compensatory, special allowances. Therefore, when you add up everything, its salary rises up to 40k every month. So, however, keep in mind that the house rent allowance might vary from one place to another, similar to the SBI PO. So basically, one thing is difference, that their allowances are larger than IBPS PO, and their basic salary is also larger than IBPS PO. So basically, the only difference between them is salary. Okay, you should remember. Otherwise, rest of the things will be almost same. Rest of the things are almost same. So I hope you enjoyed this session. I hope it enhances your knowledge about the choosing purpose. So if you want to attempt free daily live mock RRB rank booster, you can go to Entri app, and daily live quiz at 10 a.m. You can give daily live quiz at 10 a.m. and daily 15 questions. You will get daily 15 questions and 15 minutes. And the link of this rank booster is also in the description of this video. So you will be getting everything. Go download the Entri app and enjoy the session. Till then, thank you.